I was born in Bangladesh. I grew up in US. I have lived in Chicago, New York, Los Angeles. I've been coming to Dubai for a while to see the culture of Middle East. I like the diversity in Dubai. It's a melting pot. And if I can do something gastronomic that is new and exciting here, it's fulfilling. My name is Mohammad Islam. I am a cook. Now I live in Dubai. I was trained in classic French cuisine. I love French food. That's my passion. It's very easy to live here, and I really like the local people. They are extremely humble. Dubai kind of drew me back here due to the growth of the country. Plus, I like the diversity because we have somewhere around 200 nationalities here, and it's very hard to find anywhere in the world. Atelier is a creation between the food and the design. So we use classic techniques to create modern cuisine. I have at least 8 different nationalities in the kitchen, so when we sit down and brainstorm, putting together the culture, diversity, we come up with things that I would never able to think about. And when you see food is coming out beautifully from the kitchen, it's a great feeling. The synergy, all the chefs working together, it's like a family. One good thing in Dubai that you can get everything from east as well as west. So I have Japan very close to me. I have Australia is not too far. Then I have entire Europe. For every chef, I think the produce locally, it's very, very important. And I think that's what gives you the colors of our plate. I think my vision was right. Today, Dubai is one of the top food cities, you can say. Internationally recognized chefs are in Dubai creating modern cuisine. There is plenty of great restaurants all around Dubai which compete with the rest of the world today. Why do I love food? I think food is everything. Food is entangled with culture. Culture is society, and society is all of us.